Hey there, got a few things on Black Friday from probably my favorite bag EDC gear shop, which is Alpaca. So I got a couple things. We'll go from like smallest to largest, and all these three smaller items were actually outside of. We'll just go over it. So two of these items were free on Black Friday with the purchase. So this first one is going to be their stash pouch. This is the black AO Flux 210D version. So yeah, it stashes cards, cash, and other things. So very reasonable to me size wise for a stash pouch. You got a little pocket there, and then another zip on the back. Got a different kind of texture to it. So yeah, this is one of the free gifts. Normally, if you were to buy this, it would be $20, so $19.99. So that was one of the free gifts, and then this was not free, but this is their Zip travel wallet. Also got this one on the black AO Flux 210D. I would normally get anything I can when they offer it in the X-PAC version, X-PAC, and I don't believe this one ever was. Maybe it's just on purpose, but yeah, this is a zip wallet, so you'd use it to keep passports and other documents and possibly your cards while you're I envision it as like you're moving through the airport or something like that. So it's got pocket right here, and then opens up. I'm just gonna remove that, but yeah, you've got do not eat, so tempting as it is. But yeah, so you've got that kind of orange interior there, and then a couple more pockets. So yeah, I like this one too. And that, I believe, retails for about $30. So yeah, $29 there. And then here's the last free thing. And also actually the first free stash pouch. With the free gifts, you don't get to choose the color. The stash pouch thankfully came in black. But for this, which is the Go Sling Nano, which is the second free gift, which is normally $69. This seems to have came in like a green, like a darker green, or maybe like an olive. So yeah, this is they said this compact design or bag is designed to carry your point and shoot camera, phone, and other essentials. And it has a detachable shoulder strap. So yeah, it's got an interesting green hue to it. Nothing too bad. And then so yeah, looks like they stuck the shoulder strap in here, and it's got this little. Yeah, this is like shrink sealed on here. Yeah, we'll get into that at some other point, but I think this is like a easy system. But yeah, you can see it's got the orange kind of, see a honeycomb weave on the inside, and that's actually a fairly large pocket. And actually looks like maybe you can stuff something in the back here as well. And then you've got your main pocket here. Material feels very nice as well. But you got the Alpaka kind of tagline there. Keep moving forward. And you got a pocket right here with another one of these do not eats. Same as it looks, I guess. Then you got this pocket here. And you've got kind of like some mesh here to put some things. So yeah, very interesting there. And you can see where the shoulder strap piece would go, I guess. And it's got this mag lock system. I've actually had their Fid lock before, and I enjoyed that system. This one is a mag lock, so interesting to see how that goes. And then kind of the star of the show, the main thing I bought. This is their Elements Backpack Pro, and that's in the black X-PAC VX42. Oh, hit my camera, sorry. This particular bag retail, I got it for $183. I don't remember exactly what non-Black Friday pricing was, but I think it was around $230, I want to say. I don't know. But yeah, I needed to replace an older backpack I have. This is actually replacing a backpack I got like 10 years ago. It's called the, it looks crazy old at this point, but it's the In Case. It's like some kind of tech themed backpack that I got, man, so long ago. And I went traveling for work recently and noticed it was just kind of ripping on the inside and just, you know, had seen better days. So decided to upgrade a little bit. And I think this will work too because it'll kind of match my other Alpaka slings. I've always got those in the X-PAC version. I like that kind of, just the style of all that. And this actually has multiple water bottle holders, I believe. Yeah, so there's one on the other side too. I'm not sure if there's a difference in size on either one of them, but I think they claim that they can fit a 1 liter water bottle, which I actually have. This is the Lark Pure Viz 2, so, and I actually got a new strap for it, like a holder or whatever, and so I'll test that out later and kind of show it fully packed, but yeah, my water bottle is a 1 liter, so we'll see how that works out and how snug it really is. But yeah, got a couple of things in here. As you can see, there's this pocket here, and it's got that once again that high vis orange kind of honeycomb pattern, which I enjoy. So you got the mesh part here, and then that going there, and then a couple of places you can put. This looks like a kind of a pen slot here, and also got a fairly reasonable amount of space up in there. So these, I'm gonna tell you right now, I will probably be switching out these zipper pieces right here. Not my favorite, kind of weird feeling. And I have some orange and black ones that I actually put on my other bag. I have these a bunch of these little kind of zip pulls here, which are orange and black, so kind of already ready to swap some of this stuff out. Although I do like how stealthy it looks with the black on black, but yeah, it's not gonna probably work for me. But we also got this spot right here, so that's like you can put something in there, which is cool. Probably like a phone or something you want easy access to. And then there's the main pocket here. Sorry, I'm trying to find a better way to showcase this. I did not realize how close my camera was going to be to the actual bag. So, yeah, rookie mistake there. But, yeah, this goes pretty deep here. And this is where you put your laptop. It's got a nice, I think this can fit up to a 16-inch, which I want to say it's fairly standard for a bag, but it's been a while since I bought one, obviously. Like a real book bag. And then you got 3 spots here. And I think you can use their hub ecosystem to kind of hook onto these, which makes it nice. And then there's also, I believe this is where you have the tablet spot, where you put a tablet or something like that. Maybe I'll put a Kindle there, who knows. And then, yeah, it's just pretty spacious in there. So, really cool. So, yeah. I'm going to kind of load this one up with everything I need. And then on the back, I believe it has something for you to put through the suitcase. Sideways, kind of like this. So it's got that. Yeah, the Elements Backpack Pro. So everyday carry, weatherproof, and all types of stuff. Yeah, and it says you can customize with extra hub accessories. So that's one of the cooler things about Alpaka. They have this little hub system where you can really put some really cool stuff on there. So yeah, luggage paths through 16-inch laptop and tablet. That quick access top pocket we talked about. 2 exterior water bottle pockets, which fits 1 liter bottles. And they have the contoured back panel and shoulder straps. Depth, all those details. So yeah, I'm excited to start using this bad boy and yeah, kind of put it through its paces there. So pretty cool. I think they have a sternum strap too, so lots of cool stuff here in this particular bag. And yeah, stay tuned for more. Thanks.